stand, and that's going to lead us into a song called Cornerstone. And that first verse of this great hymn says, "My hope is built on nothing less than Jesus' blood and righteousness." It's not based on my works. Titus 3:5 says, "Not by works of righteousness which you have done." But it talks about we're saved according to his mercy by the washing and renewing or regeneration of the Holy Spirit. This morning, if you're depending upon anything other than the finished work of Jesus Christ, you are missing salvation. We must rest totally upon what Jesus Christ has done. And then you know what he does? He transforms you and I. Let's sing this great hymn of the faith. My hope is built on nothing less than Jesus' blood and righteousness.